All right. Here we've got an exercise here that's actually going to stretch the pec, lengthen the pec, pectoralis major, pec minor, and all the internal rotators, even the latissimus dorsi. He's keeping his back flat against the mirror, so there's no arching in the spine, and to keep his elbows against the mirror, bring his arms up as high as possible. This is incredibly difficult, and what it does is stretches the pec and the internal rotators, right? He's holding it for about 10 or 15 seconds, coming up out of a relaxed position, taking some deep breaths, and then going down, all right? Elbows against the mirror, knuckles against the mirror, and trying to go as high as he can. What this is doing, it's stretching these powerful internal rotators and also activating the small external rotators. Your infraspinatus, teres minor, right? They're all, supraspinatus is kicking in also working very hard to turn on the small muscles that keep balance in the glenohumeral joint, right, in the shoulder joint, which is the most movable joint in the body, but the least stable. This exercise alone will help you keep balance and prevent shoulder injuries. Try to breathe. The key is not to arch the back. Bring it up, and the tension he's feeling through his pecs are incredible. He's doing really good. Thank you.